Come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Close your eyes. Put Namaskar Mudra. Let us chant Omkara 3 times. Inhale. 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 Repeat after me. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim anatosmi nityam hari om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari om. Take both hands behind your back, hold right wrist with left palm, inhale and go back, exhale, bend forward, pay your respects to mother earth, parents, teachers, God and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Good morning, welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. Come to sitting Dandasana. Legs straight, body straight. Keep your palms by the side of the body. Relax your feet. Feet forward, backward, 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 forward, backward. Move your feet left to right, left, 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 right. Rotate your feet in circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing position. Stand up. Inhale and take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head, straighten. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bring the hands down. Sidewise bending. Inhale, take your right hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand up. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand up. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand up. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Keep both hands in front, palms facing down. Inhale. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. 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 Bring the hands down. Exhale. Bring your feet shoulder length apart. Inhale. Take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Bring the hands down. Exhale. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally. Touch left ankle with left palm. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Touch right ankle with right palm. Inhale, straighten. Let us do few rounds of this. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Stop. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Take your hands above your head. When I say inhale, bring both the legs 90 degrees. When I say exhale, bring the legs down. Inhale, exhale. 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 Bring the hands down, relax. Take your hands above your head. Bring both the legs 90 degrees. Hold the position. Keep it there till I count 30. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly drop it down. Relax. Bring the hands down. Relax. Turn on to your stomach. Onto your stomach. Turn on to your stomach. Now, come to Parvatasana. Come to Parvatasana. Hold the position. On your feet and palms, middle portion raised up. Parvatasana. Mountain posture. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana. Breathe normally. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten yourself. Sit in Vajrasana. Bend your knees. Sit in your knees. Feet flat. Buttocks on the feet. Sit in Vajrasana. Spine straight. Sit in Vajrasana. Interlock your fingers. Take it above your head. Turn it upside down. Straighten your hands. Stretch your spine. Breathe normally. Bring the hands down. Relax. Sit in Vajrasana. Keep your left palm near your navel on the stomach. Keep your right palm on top of your left palm. Inhale. While exhaling, bend forward. Breathe normally. Get up. Come back to Vajrasana. Relax. Straighten your legs. Relax your legs. Relax your legs. Relax. Come to sitting Dandasana. Legs straight, body straight, hands by the side of the body. Let us do Paschimottanasana. Inhale and take your hands above your head, stretch your spine. Exhale, bend forward, hold your toes with both the hands. Bend as much as possible from the waist. Bend from the waist. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten yourself. Take your hands above your head. Exhale, bring the hands down. Relax. Now, bend both the knees. Left knee to the left side, the right knee to the right side. Cobbler position. Hold the feet with both the hands. Right knee to the right side, left knee to the left side. Feet touching each other. Now, move your feet, knees up and down in butterflies, like a butterfly movement. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Straighten your legs. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. Legs, hands behind your back. Put your palms on the ground, fingers pointing away from your body. Weight on your palms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Keep your hands by the side of the body. Relax. Bend both the knees. Feet on the ground. Rise your middle portion up. Setu Asana. Setu Bandhasana. Rise your middle portion up. You can bring your feet towards yourself on your toes. Rise further. Rise your middle portion as much as possible. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Lie down on your back. Straighten your legs. Relax. Rise your right leg 90 degrees. Hold right toe with right palm. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Rise left leg 90 degrees. Hold left toe with left palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Relax. Bring both the feet together. Keep your palms on your thighs. Now, rise both the legs 40 degrees and upper portion up 30 to 40 degrees up. At this, both the legs 40 degrees, upper portion up 40 degrees. Your hands in the air pointing to your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Relax. Relax. Bend your right knee. Hold the right toe with right palm. Bend your right knee as much towards your chest as possible. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten your right leg. Bend your left knee. Hold the left toe with left palm. Bend your left knee as much towards your chest as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten your left knee. Bend both the knees. Hold left toe with left palm, right toe with right palm. Try to bring your both the legs, knees towards your chest as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten your legs. Relax. Relax. Keep your hands horizontal on your floor, palms facing down. Rise your right leg 90 degrees. Turn your right leg towards left side. Touch your right leg onto the ground. Turn your head towards right side. Your right leg is turned towards left side onto the ground. Your head turned towards the right side. Your spinal cord is twisted. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the right leg to the center, head to the center. Slowly bring the right leg down. Now, rise your left leg up 90 degrees. Turn your left leg to the right side onto the floor. Turn your head towards the left side. Your left feet touching the ground onto the left side. Your head turned towards the left side. Your left leg
touching the ground on the right side, your head turned towards left side, your hands horizontal on the ground, your spinal cord is twisted. 1, breathe normally. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn your head to the center. Bring your leg back to the center. Bring the left leg down. Bring the hands to the sideways. Relax. Relax in Shavasana. Shavasana. Legs apart, heels facing each other, hands by the side of the body, palms facing the roof, eyes closed, face smiling. Body collapsed on the ground like a dead body. Collapse your body, your weight onto the ground. Let go of your weight onto the ground. Breathe normally, relaxedly. As you inhale, stomach moves up. As you exhale, stomach sinks in. Pay attention to the stomach movements and the breathing. Synchronize breathing with the stomach movements. Relax. Become aware of your left hand. Move your left hand. Move your right hand. Move your left leg. Move your right leg. Move your head left to right. Become aware of the body. Become aware of the breathing. Turn to the right. Turn to the right side. Keep your left palm on the ground. With the help of left palm, come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Come to sitting position. Let us do Bhastrika Pranayama. Bhastrika.
Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue. Stop. Sit comfortably, relaxedly, close your eyes. Let us do Kapalabhati. Make a fist. Keep one fist against each other. Keep it near your navel. Close your eyes. Forceful exhalation of breathing. Pay attention to the exhalation. Inhalation happens automatically. While exhaling, press your diaphragm, press your stomach inside, pressing the diaphragm. Tuck your stomach inside while exhaling, like this. Okay, let us do 30 rounds of Kapalabhati. Start. Stop. Sit silently, relaxedly. Okay. Now we will do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Keep your left palm on your left knee, index finger touching the thumb, or palms facing upwards. With the right hand, you put Mruga Mudra, thumb and the two middle fingers touching each other, index finger and little finger outstretched. With the thumb, you can close your right nostril. With the middle fingers, you can close your left nostril as and when required. We will do alternate nostril breathing. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right, exhale through the left. Okay? Close your right nostril with the thumb. Inhale left. Close the left nostril. Exhale through the right. Inhale right. Close the right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close the left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close the right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close the left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close the right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close the left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close the right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close the left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close the right. Exhale left. Release and relax. Sit silently. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us do Bhramari Pranayama. Keep your thumbs inside your ears. Keep your index finger on top of the eyelid, middle finger on bottom of the eyelid, ring finger on the nostrils, little finger near the mouth. Shanmukhi Mudra. Close your ears. Now keep your eyeballs up, looking at the third eye center, Shambhavi Mudra. Press your index finger and middle finger gently. Keep your tongue touching the soft upper palate. Close your mouth. Inhale deeply and make long humming bee sound, makara sound. While doing the makara, your entire brain and spinal cord should be vibrating. Inhale. Once more, inhale. Once more, inhale. Relax. Remove the hands. Sit silently. Close your eyes. whatever action you do it as a worship of God. Do not do mechanically. Do all your actions, mundane actions, everyday actions, as a worship of God. Your attitude should be, I am doing this action to please God, as a worship of God. And whatever results come, you offer it to Bhagwan. That should be the attitude with which you should work in the world. Let us chant Omkara. Keep your palms on your knees, index finger touching the thumb, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara a few times. Chant Omkara with sacredness, respect, and devotion. Devotion towards Parabrahma, Paramatma, Narayana, Supreme Being. Omkara sound starts from navel center and reaches top of the head, Sahasrara. At the end of Omkara, there is a silence and peace. Merge your mind in the silence and peace. Silence is God. Peace is God. Inhale. 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 Sit silently, keep your mind on top of the head. Sit silently. Surrender to God and sit silently. Put Namaskar Mudra, repeat after me. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Hold your hands, pray to God. Hari Mo Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Mo. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shiva Swarupi. Shivoham. 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 Repeat after me. We practice yoga for a better physical health, peace of mind, and a clarity in intellect. We practice yoga for our self-realization and to help the world with selfless service. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.